guys, welcome to our vlog.
Hello, I'm Aileen P. Abenoja and
Alaysa Faye Enobio from CSS 121, and today we will teach you some 7 essential nuts that you need to know. So let's go. Before we start, we should get some our rope.
first is a square nut. Square nut commonly used for joining two ropes of similar size. It's handy for tying packages, securing loads, or even in first aid to secure bandages.
Second nut is clove hitch. Clove hitch nut used for securing a rope to a pole or another rope temporarily. Commonly used in camping to secure tents and traps, and boating for tying up to a dock. It's quick to tie and untie.
Third nut is the sheep bend used to join two ropes of different diameters or materials, particularly useful when the ropes have significant size difference. The smallest diameter line will go up through the bight. It is wrapped, ground, and then tacked underneath. You can turn this into a double sheet bend.
The fourth nut is the bowline. The bowline nut is a versatile and reliable nut used to form a fixed loop at the end of a rope. It's also widely used in activities like climbing, fishing, and camping for various tasks requiring a loop that won't slip or bind under load. Start making an overhand loop towards the working end. The loose end is then brought through the bottom through the loop.
The fifth nut is the figure 8 loop. This nut creates a secure, fixed loop and is primarily used in climbing for tying into a harness or creating anchors. Bend the bight and twist it 2 times. Bring it through the back and you form the figure 8.
The sixth knot is round turn 2 1/2. hitches is for securing a rope to a fixed object such as post or ring. The round turn provides extra security by adding a second turn around the object before laying the 2/2 inches. And for the last, taut line hitch. This knot used to secure a rope to a fixed object while allowing the length of the rope to be adjusted easily. Commonly used in camping and outdoor activities to secure tent guy lines. Form a loop and do 2 passes on the inside. Form another loop and then pass it through. And that's all the 7 essential knots. Thanks for watching.